Well, hello everyone. Today I'm going to basically show you a simple process of how I go about mounting a KERKER Vance & Hines header on a KZ1000 GPZ1100 etc, etc. And basically you have the exhaust header retainer that you slide on first and just let it go out the way. Now we have the exhaust collars, these two pieces, and the problem is there's no real way to just hold this on here except welding it on there, and we really don't want to weld it on there because if the header gets destroyed or just rot out and we want to replace it, we would like to retain, you know, these beautiful exhaust collars. So what I've done was I've just come up with a simple way of retaining them on the pipe without welding by basically just putting both of them on here like that and taking a piece of twine about 6 to 8 inches long and just wrapping it around and basically tying it on there. So somehow you just have to make a knot. Maybe some of you guys or girls that have smaller fingers, this would be an easier process. But basically, that's it. And you put another knot in there just for added measure. Like that. And wow. Look at that. The exhaust collar is basically held on. So now, once it's mounted, all you basically have to do is just bring your exhaust collar up and it will basically go on the stud, and you can bolt it down, and then after all four of them are bolted down, you can just get your box cutter and basically reach in there and cut the twine. And of course the exhaust collars will stay in there because they'll have the bracket pressing against them. That's the simple, easiest way possible to do this without welding it on the header. And hopefully this helps someone out there that's having an issue holding the collars up against the retainer. Enjoy.